Julia just did something really out of the ordinary. She became a crossover storm, which means the storm formed in one basin, in this case, the Atlantic Basin, and crossed over to the other basin, in this case, the Pacific Basin. And just so you understand how rare this is, this has only happened 4 times in the last 25 years. And weirdly, the last time it happened was also this year. On July 1st, Tropical Storm Bonnie formed in the Atlantic, crossed over the Nicaragua-Costa Rica border, and then emerged over the Pacific Basin before it intensified and became a Category 3 hurricane. What will often happen in a crossover situation is the storm is going to lose a lot of its strength and eventually get disorganized as it hits land, because a hurricane or a tropical storm or any tropical cyclone actually needs warm water to get more energy. So as soon as it's over land, it tends to die down. Sometimes those leftovers will move onto warm waters and suddenly start to strengthen again and then form again over a different basin. When that happens, we don't keep the same name. If Julia had become completely disorganized over land and then formed again over the Pacific, she would have gotten the Pacific name on the list. At this point in the Pacific, we would be at Roslyn. But because the storm didn't lose its tropical cyclone criteria, we consider it to be the same storm, and therefore Julia now lives in the Pacific Basin. Although right now, actually, Julia no longer lives. We're at the leftover phase, and in the next few hours will probably disappear, although there's still a lot of rain for parts of southern Mexico and Guatemala as well, right up until Tuesday night.